Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We got 63,939 miles on the odometer. We'll have the full build list on our website. I do have the tops off. Absolutely gorgeous outside. Makes for a really fun drive. This car shifts nice and smooth. No complaints with the drivability. Brakes feel solid. Steering is nice and straight. No shimmies or shakes. Beautiful car. Got the short throw shifter, clutch feels good, nice and straight. Absolute blast to drive, no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here, and we will have the build list on the website. That car is cammed, sounds really good. Battery from 2 of 2022. Looks good. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the wheels. They look perfect. Date code on the tires, I believe there is 2024. They are 555 G2s, 275 35 18s here on the front. Now you're going to have some very light swirls from everyday washing. We do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here as well. And so if you want this looking absolutely perfect, they can do that. Lower section looks good. Like I said, very light swirls and scuffs from just everyday washing. Now right here in the paint, you are going to see some flaws that will not come out. You can see these kind of little spider cracking patterns. It's kind of the bigger area. Very hard to get up close and show that, but I see it kind of throughout. Lower section looks good. That wheel is absolutely perfect. Date code, once again, 2024. Tire size 295/40 18s. Super common on all these. You're going to have these little dimples, but it's very minimal on this trim piece. T-tops come off perfect. Looking at the headlights, a little dingy, still in good condition. Same with that one, and if you get super close, you're gonna see the very, very light kind of spider cracking. A couple rock chips. Got a vinyl stripe here. Get some chips along that edge. Typical swirls, little scuffs. A couple rock chips. Got a larger chip there. Got the clear lights. Little chips here and there. Let's get underneath. really clean. I'm not seeing any rash there. That looks good. Same under there. Not really seeing rash. Now you do have some on that plastic piece. But that bumper edge looks clean. Looking at that fender, looks good. Lower section's perfect. These look brand new. Lower rocker looks good. All of the gaskets there are nice and clean, super soft. A couple tiny chips on the edge. Got a chip there. I don't see those little kind of spider cracking look on this quarter panel, only on the other side. That wheel's perfect. Very light swirls there, but no other damage. We do have some chips right here. Upper section looks good. Back bumper's clean. And then you can see these tires are awesome. Ton of tread left. So this is an absolutely gorgeous car. A full paint correction would do this car wonders. Even as it sits, looks really good. Right, looking at the interior, it's a non-smoker and it is absolutely gorgeous. Zero separation on that leather. You can see how these buttons, the graphics are perfect. That panel's solid, no squeaks. That trim looks amazing. Here on this bolster, now it is smushed down a little bit. You do have your wrinkles, but zero rips, and it still is really soft. Very light wear right here. Upper section looks good. This looks amazing. Here on the steering wheel, I don't see any gashes. Nice and clean. This looks good. Here on the upper side of the dash, I'm not seeing any cracks. And looking at the buttons here, couple like here on the reverse, you can see a couple wear spots, but other than that, looks good. Here on the back seats, looking at that leather, nice and clean. Carpet looks good. Headliner looks nice. Really nothing to complain about back here. That seat back looks good. No cracks on the seatbelt holder here. Looking at that bolster, that looks good. I don't see any rips or tears. We do have a scuff right there. The rest of that seat is in great condition. This side of the console looks really nice. Underside of the glove box looks good. I don't see any cracks on that side. And this door panel, that's in great condition. No separation on the leather. You can see all the buttons are nice and clean.